It is only the content that will matter. They'll not be South actors, North actors. It'll all be about Indian cinema growing. I cannot, with all humility, I cannot say that, I'm a very self-made actor. I have come from a film background and that definitely helped me to be whoever I am. मैडम मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा अमिताभ जी इंस्पायर करते हैं.
Easiest thing in this movie is taggedele.
माफ करना मैं हिंदी में बात करूंगा.
yeah.
मेरा हिंदी अच्छा नहीं है.
नहीं, आप
फिर भी मैं
English में
कोशिश
बताइए.
करूंगा. पता है कि मेरा हिंदी में एक्सेंट है, साउथ एक्सेंट है, फिर भी मैं कोशिश करके आपको हिंदी में ही बात करूंगा. मैडम मुझे सबसे ज्यादा अमिताभ जी इंस्पायर करता है क्योंकि लॉन्ग स्पैन ऑफ करियर है ना. From so many years, I'll say this in English to be, to be a little more comfortable.
It's okay, yeah.
I absolutely adore the megastar of the country, Amitabh Ji. Because we've grown up, watching his films and everything. He's got a lot of impact on us in the growing years. So, in one word, if I have to say, I'll say I'm a huge ardent fan of Amitabh Ji. And even till date, at the age, such a big age, also, I keep thinking, even if I get really old, I should still be acting like how gracefully Amitabh Ji is doing it. In a way, that's what I keep thinking. If you're 60, 70, 80, you should still you should work as beautifully as Amitabh Ji does. You should see cinema, how it's running, how the trends have been running in the last 10 years. Like I'm saying in the 2000s, it's a very clear gap between the South cinema and North cinema. Let's be honest about it. And then if you see the entire 2010s, the bridges, there's been beautiful bridges, thanks to people like Manish Ji, who have bridged those gaps. And now everybody's getting familiar with each other's cinema. And I'm telling you, from the next decade onwards, from the 2020s, the lines will be so blurry that it will not matter where it comes from. It is only the content that will matter. They'll not be South actors, North actors. It'll all be about Indian cinema growing. And I'm telling you, with wonderful platforms that have opened like OTTs, there's so many set of new filmmakers, directors, actors, technicians. This has opened up amazing horizons for us in entertainment industry. And we as Indian entertainment industry, not just cinema, we as Indian entertainment industry are going to be a very huge or probably the biggest players in the next decade. And I'm very positive as a country we will go up.
For us, for me, I can speak only for myself, and for me, as much of fame and the glamour there is out there, for me, it's me doing good work and good content, and me doing the best I can in a film that I'm a part of. Me playing Srivalli, I can't believe that I did some character like this, and it's so special. And I think this film is my career's biggest film. And I've done what the best I could do in this film. So for me, when I choose characters, when I work in a different industry, I'm just doing the best I can at that point of time. I don't look at, oh my God, this is happening, that is happening, this I'll be seen, like that I'll be seen. It's not that. For me, it's my characters, it's my game, it's my play area, so I'll do so.
Preferably, I'd like to make it everything pan-India, because not just about pan-India. I'm saying, why are you even restricting to that? Maybe somebody else wants to watch it. People in other countries, maybe Sri Lanka, neighboring countries, Pakistan, other countries want to watch it. We don't know. Language is no barrier for cinema. So I think we should just go for, I would say more than pan-India, I would say we should go for a multi-language release and see how far we can go as Indian cinema. I cannot, with all humility, I cannot say that, I'm a very self-made actor. I have come from a film background and that definitely helped me to be whoever I am. How much part of it, really helped and how much was my own can never be quantified. It's something that we can never quantify. The debate can go on forever, but I'm grateful for for the background support that they've given. Thank you. Absolutely, I love Hindi cinema. You know, somehow sometimes I use the word, but I don't like to use that word Bollywood as much as possible because, you know, it sounds like second to Hollywood. And hum kisi se kam nahi. Hum kisi se kam nahi. So I like to say it Hindi cinema. So even by habit, you know, sometimes even I say Bollywood, but I keep going. I was like, no, say Hindi cinema. Hum kisi se kam nahi. um, Coming back to your question, I love Hindi cinema. I love Hindi music. I appreciate them so much. And like, I definitely it'd be a great moment in my life to do a straight Hindi film, and it'll be a landmark point of my career, and I want to make it. I want to make the best choice possible. And to just answer what you said, there have been people who ask for films here and there, but nothing very nothing very exciting. So I think slowly, you know, we've been having soft talks, like if we can do something, how is it to mount up something big? Because even the people who are coming, they are also saying that when we have to come to you, we have to come with something solid. So I think once everything falls into place, I think I will try to plan with maybe little help of Allu Arjun Garu if he helps. Just a joking. I think we'll try to come up with something big and, you know, make it memorable. Thank you. I think dance is more enjoyed when it's a part of the film than it being the whole emotion of the film for me, because cinema is about emotion. Dance is just a part of entertainment. In certain films, like you said, dance film, you know, dance becomes a part of, is the main part of the emotion. But for me, I personally like cinema, the emotion of a cinema, and then small pieces of dance in it. So that's my take. On doing a whole dance film, I personally think I'm not very much for it somewhere. Ma'am, more than comparison, I'll say it's more of an influence because I was born, brought up from Chennai. So obviously I have a lot of subconscious absorption from big superstars like Rajni sir, like Kamal sir. You know, that's why if you see I'm very like if you notice that, then then I came to Hyderabad. Mr. Chiranjeev Garu is my own uncle. You know, when I see him, he dances really well, and there are his nuances. So I think, you know, subconsciously when you work, as a child, when you grow up seeing these people, you absorb them, and they're there subconsciously in your mind. Not that I very consciously want to do it. If it came across like that also, I don't have an issue. And I think it's maybe you can say maybe it's a tribute for them, in a way. My respects for them in a way. Sir, Arvind Garu has been busy producing Bollywood films and he's not, you know, I think I should call him and tell him, you know, start making a film with your son also. He's also a reasonable actor. Good thing, sir. I'll tell Arvind Garu. Arvind Garu, there's your son who's also an actor in your house. Please do make films with him. Please take him to Bollywood. Not just you simply make, be the first 100 crores film in Bollywood, and now you're making so many multiple films in Bollywood. Please, there's also one guy in your house if you want to promote him, he's available. When he narrated itself, I felt it is like a 4-hour film. I said, how will we make this 4-hour film into a 3-hour film? He said, let's just somehow compress it in the process. And when we started shooting the film, it started decompressing even more. It started getting longer. And by the time we cut the first half itself, it's a very huge film. So it was very clear, you know, in the process of making the film itself, the film is very clearly telling you, boss, I cannot be made in one part. You know, it's asking for two. So generally, we always listen to the film. You know, the content always tells you something. You should just be open to listen to it. So it was saying that it needs 2 parts, and I think we respected that.
So I knew I was playing a different character. I knew that I had to pour my heart, soul, sweat, everything into this character, because this is, like I keep saying, this is a whole different world that we're entering. And when, you know, actors like Sir's doing such hard work, and, you know, I'm getting this opportunity to, you know, work with Sir, I can't have inhibitions and be like, oh my God, do I look pretty? Do I look that? Do I look this? I have to worry about the performance. I'm like, am I doing a good job? Am I doing that? Is it coming through? Is this character staying strong? What is happening? So for me, it was all about performance in this film, and I think once the audience see it on the 17th, I think it'll come through, and please give us your reviews.